Hello guys, this is Roy from the Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today, we are going to do a just for fun MS bearing floating gear. I believe most people know if they want to do the floating gear on the pin gear, they will have the pin gear and using the pin gear on the both side and to hold the pin gear at the middle and to make sure the pin gear is at the right position and doesn't wiggle and doesn't moving a lot. Okay, but today the reason why I'm calling just make for fun, because I'm not sure is this gonna work or not, so that's why I called it make for fun. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna using the bearing and to make a floating gear for our pin gear. All right, so let's start with the video. Let's and go. Okay, so as more people know, like what we do, we usually just using the pin gear and to hold the pin gear like this and place like this position, and we will trim the both side, one like here and here, like both side inside of the chassis, and to make we have enough space to fit those two pin gear. Okay, but there's one problem is usually when we place the pin gear, and sometimes the pin gear will get loose. So when you get loose, you can see your gear is easily moved like this. See? So what we usually do, we will put some crazy glue on the end of the pin gear to make sure it doesn't move easily. But it causes one problem is when you have to choose or repair your shaft, and then you will definitely have hard time to take it out. Okay, and sometimes you will even damage your pin gear. So that's the reason why I made this video today, and just want to see if there is any other way we can fix this problem, but I'm not sure is that gonna work or not. So we just make this today's just for fun video. Let's start with the video. Let's and go. Okay, so this is today's just for fun video, bearings floating gear. In the end of the video, I still have to be honest with you. The easiest way to do the floating gear is still using the pinning gear. Alright, so this one is just for fun, like I said. So if you like this video, you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe and share this video. Alright, if you have any question, please leave your question and comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.